Hi, I am Sunita Karbasanavar from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Hirashugar Institute of Technology, Nidasoshi. I want to share some views about my college and when I have did admission in the year of 2016. Initially, we had gone through everything is new for us, and it's sometime beginning it's difficult for us to understand the things, but lecturers made us to understand easy through videos. They will going to clear the concepts and they will use the projectors to uh, teach the subjects, and in the initially they have combined first sem and second sem students all branches, and when we will divide at the third semester they will do the branch entry function for us, and there are new faculty members we are going to face. They are also good, they have taught subjects easily, they will not give the importance to only academics, and they will support us who will got the most score in the semester exam. They will give the prizes for them, and every year in the month of March and April we are going to celebrate the HSIT national level fest as well as quest. In the quest we are going to presenting the paper and quiz competitions and circuit debugging, technical related things are going to conducting in the every department. I felt very happy, and taking this branch electronics and communication, and the stream is both we can go for hardware as well as software, and every year in even semester they are going to conduct ECSA activities. They have provided us good lab facilities, and we have did practical sessions, hands-on experiments. They have conducted so many workshops like Arduino workshop, Internet of Things and antenna workshop, and PCB designing workshop, and they have did so many efforts for us to learn technical things. We have to be strong. If we are going to be strong, we will survive like anything, and it is good for us to have the technical knowledge. And when we will enter for the seventh semester, it is we have to concentrate on both, both like in academics as well as in the placement. When we have faced some problem so to crack the aptitude exam, so TPCell recognized where we are lagging. So for that they have conducted us 15 days innovations unlimited Bangalore training for us, and we have attended 15 days. We have gone through soft skills training, how to face the interviews, and how we have to be strong in the mathematics, how we have to be communicate with the people in the interview, how we have to face the HR, how we have to answer them. We have learned all the things. Especially we have to be thank. Why? Because our career will be going to start after completing the engineering. Before completing we have an offer letter. It is helpful for us to lead or build a new career for us. And so many we have I only attended more than the 20 company exams, aptitude exams, and I have got placed in two companies like Tech Fortune and Wipro. Wipro is an all India hire process, and the what experience I can share with you is that the Wipro is like for me it has given very patience for me. We have attended exam in the October. Totally 99,000 people have attended online exam. They have shortlisted only 14,000 students for second round. They have conducted technical round as well as HR round. Who will pass the technical round? They have given the offer to the next round like HR round. And I have faced the HR which he has a 22 years experience, and I have cracked that. I feel happy. Why? Because not only some student they have attended for exam, it is not like that. when we have attended exam in October and we got offer in the month of February, and it's a very slow process. That from that I learned patience, and now I am very happy. Why? Because my career is going to start. So that I wish who is going for the technical field, better you have to choose the College of Hirasugar Institute of Technology to build a career. I will thank to all people who are there in the Hirasugar Institute of Technology, principal sir, faculty members, training and placement cell, and all, one and all, I will thank to, and I feel happy always part of the Hirasugar Institute of Technology. Thank you.